How to fix WhatsApp call unavailable issue. Let's get started. If you're facing the issue of WhatsApp calls being unavailable, you can try the following methods. Whenever you're having this issue, the first thing to make sure is that you have a stable internet connection and that your device is connected to the internet. WhatsApp calls requires a good internet connection to work properly, so make sure you check that. And if the internet is good, check if your WhatsApp is up to date. Make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. Outdated versions of the app can cause issues with WhatsApp calls. So if your app is not updated, head to your Play Store or an App Store and update your application. Now, if that doesn't work either, then try to check your phone's permissions. Make sure that WhatsApp has been granted permissions to access your device's microphone and camera. You can check this by going to your device's settings and scroll down and select apps and look for WhatsApp. Now tap on permissions and see if the permission has been granted or not. If the permission is granted, next thing to do is clear WhatsApp cache. Clearing the cache for WhatsApp can help to resolve the issue. So for this, tap on storage and simply click on clear cache at the bottom right corner. Now if this doesn't help either, then try restarting your device, as this can sometimes help to resolve the issue. And if none of these steps work, you may need to contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. So these were some potential solutions to fix WhatsApp calls being unavailable. I really hope this video is going to help you out. Thank you for watching till the end.